Heygen is an AI video creation platform that lets you make professional videos without needing a camera, actors, or editing skills. Here's what it can do. AI avatars. You can choose from hundreds of realistic avatars or even create your own. They talk, move, and look natural. Perfect for tutorials, business videos, or presentations. Text to video. You can just type your script, choose an avatar, and Heygen automatically generates a full video for you in minutes. Voice cloning. It can clone your voice so the avatar speaks exactly like you, with your tone, style, and accent. Multi-language lip syncing. You can translate a video into 40 languages and Heygen will perfectly sync the lips to each language. This makes global content super easy. Live portraits. Upload a photo and bring it to life as the talking avatar. Green screen removal and editing. Heygen can automatically remove backgrounds, add effects, and edit scenes instantly. Ready-made templates for marketing, education, e-commerce, YouTube, or training videos. Team collaboration. Teams can work together, share projects, and manage branding in the same workspace. In short, Heygen makes high-quality videos fast, easy, and super realistic. No filming required. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.